This is 9mm Steve, and we're going to be putting Nerf bars on a UTV side by side. This specifically is a cfmoto U10 Pro. However, I'm sure your UTV, if they don't have them, well, I don't know what to say, but this one has them, and we're going to show you how to do it. Here's one side of the Nerf bar. Got a foot plate. Bolts came with it. And then the other side here. Okay. This particular one has 10mm screws, bolts, I should say, bolts. And we're going to go over how to put it on. Okay, be sure that you have the right sides. They are not the same because this particular one has a foot plate and the little fancy logo. So we've got the passenger side on this side and the driver's on the other. You see there are 3 places for the 10mm bolts. And then up underneath, we're going to have some places too. I just have to figure out exactly which is what. On this particular model, it's an Allen wrench for the ones that are already on there. So you're going to have to take that off. There's 3 per side. Okay. And again, the ones we have to put on are a little bit more. I may put a little Loctite on it just to keep it good. All right, so I have the bolts in. 1, 2, that's a little close. 3. I'm gonna put a little Loctite on the threads. And then I'm gonna bolt it in and we'll see. All right, little Loctite. Yep. And bolt that one in. Wow, driver's side complete. Looks pretty good. I like that. So just repeat the same on the passenger side. Got 3 bolts with a Loctite. And a 1-person job. Of course, 2 always makes it easier, but it was really no big deal. I got the center one in first. And then put the other 2. And you can see that adds a cool dimension to your UTV and protects the side as well. See? Protects the side as well. Pretty cool. So, total about 15-20 minute job. Shoot, could even be 10 minutes, but allow 20-25 minutes just so you don't rush. And if you have any questions, post them below. Subscribe. This is 9mm Steve 73.